Hey guys, this is Kaylin. Today I'm going to show you how to do a waterfall braid. So you're going to start out like a normal braid, split it into 3 pieces. Once you have your 3 pieces, you're going to take the 2 outside pieces and cross over the middle piece. And you're going to take your bottom piece that you have and hang it down. I usually, if I'm doing this on myself, I hold it in my mouth. And then I grab a piece from the bottom, underneath here, for a new bottom piece. And then you're going to add to the top. And cross over. Over. And once you get down here and you want to stop, most people braid down, but I just stop right there. And then I grab a rubber band, tie it off right where it ends. This is a great fall look. I know most of you are probably looking for a new fall hairstyle. This is one that you should definitely give a try. Alright, and there is your waterfall braid. Thanks for watching.